Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel. And some people did something. Anyways, let's get to the project. So, today we are going to be looking at a short project. Oh, wait. I didn't know I was recording. What? I thought I was just talking to myself. Just kidding. Happy late April Fools. Yes, yes, I know it's late. That's because I recorded this video late. Yeah. So a few days ago, I made an April Fool's project because I thought, yeah, Easter's important, so April Fool's Day is also important because fools. So I decided to fool people on Scratch. Yeah, doesn't that sound like a good idea? Yeah. So again, it's not a tutorial really, but you get to see how I did it. So I just added some code, right arrow key code and stuff like that. I mean, no, actually not any right arrow key code. I just basically just said wait 2 seconds, a few loops, and yeah, for the music and music. So yeah, so I titled this, guys, I have some bad news, but don't worry. I said don't worry because it's not actually going to be true. Yeah, sorry. On April 2nd. What a bummer. For people. Anyways, let's see. Guys, I have bad news. Um, and also, um, but okay, look. Or what is going to happen? Scroll down to see what I have to say. You just got tricked in this project. Sorry for this project. I was working on this yesterday, and I didn't get time to make that's because I went to sleep and get up the next day. I'm really sorry. But anyways, enjoy. Yep, yep, it's pretty simple. I didn't write much. Yeah. Anyways, it says check full screen if you want to see a hidden detail that is something about our new game that will come soon. The last screen Crystal's happy with. So let's try this box. Oh, it's over there. Then check in on the game. I will be adding new characters. Okay, okay, yeah. I just added a cute little check-in thing. All right, so time to that was later. Anyways, okay. View all projects. So let's see which one looks the most appealing. Appealing, yeah. All right. So one thing that probably looks is hmm. I don't know about projects, but I will. I do have something to leave for an animation or something. I'm going to go to the other account, but I'm gonna log in. All right, oh yeah, there we have dashes. All right, all right. So this is my other account. So Okay, the one I wanted to show you was this one. I worked hard on it, on the animation, coding. Anyways, let's go ahead and check it out. So it's about Crystal turning to her human form. And it's pretty surprising. YouTube. Oh yeah, it's you guys. No. Anyways, this is a little Crystal. He's so cute. Oh, yeah. Okay. La 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 la. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. Okay, let's not listen to the whole song. Anyways, it says, I know it says Happy Late Valentine's Day, but I think it's a little too late. That's like 2 months ago. Yeah, that's because I made it earlier, but I haven't posted that month, so it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of hard. All right, so I don't know. I think we should just chill. I mean, I don't know what to do now because yeah, wait, I should check my followers. I should I should see. I could have done a celebration. I could have done a celebration. Anyways, anyway. All right, there's nothing much else to say. But that was a very short video. That was very short. We need to see more. We need to see more. So I have decided that we um check in on my game. Yes, I think you should view my game. So I know this is gonna be like a spoiler, but yeah, it's just the beginning screen. All right. All right. Oh Lord, let's hide this. So in the beginning, it's gonna ask for your username, and then I'll say, just gonna type Crystal, Crystal Icy, Crystal and Icy. So this is basically what you have to do. It's gonna save your progress, and then you click play, and then it starts. So that's it. That's it. And I might change this. So in the beginning, it's going to show that, but then you say play, and then it shows something else. Yeah. Okay, there's nothing much else to show. Oh, wait. Is there any new ideas? Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Nah, there's nothing much else. I think I've done all of these. Pretty much think I've done all of these. I think I have done all of these. Like, yeah, I am pretty sure. Yeah, maybe I should make more projects so that I can just keep reviewing them and. Oh yeah, wait. I just thought of something. I thought that maybe we could do this. Okay. So I thought this was really interesting. It's called Scratch Shot, and I think it's really interesting. It's really attractive thumbnail. Really attractive. I have no idea how people get these kind of thumbnails, but Anyways, swipe anywhere on the screen to make a shot. Pull it harder to make it fly harder. Reach the spiral goal. If it glows yellow, it can be shot. 0 to 9 keys to change skin. Okay, let's see if we can change the skin. Now let's see how this game is supposed to be played. What do we have to do? Oh, wait a second. Nothing is happening. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's working now. All right. Good. Oh, wait, what do I have to do? Let's see if we can change. Oh, oh, this is cute. 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Yeah, I think I like 2. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Which one should I choose, guys? I think I'm gonna go with 2. I'm gonna restart because I don't know where the spiral goal is. Where's the spiral goal? Well, this practice is pretty good, but I don't know where the spiral goal is. I don't know about this. I don't know how to play it really. It doesn't give much stuff. Doesn't give much info about that. Yeah. Anyways, I think that's enough. I think that's enough. I try hard to make more, like I said in my you haven't seen it already. Okay, yeah, and I just it's a random studio where you have to add a trend on Sketch. I have to make a picture. A switch. I will have to. Mhm. Anyway, I'll be busy after busy. Mm, Not that much. Yeah, I might be busy. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Been quite long for you because if you're watching it at one speed, like normal speed. If you're watching it like where I'm like then probably pass faster. The time would pass faster, I guess. I mean, for this video. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out my other videos and projects from scratch if you have an account or if you just want to have no account and just scroll and just see my projects. Here's my account. It's this is the site where you need to go to. But the site that you need to type if you want to create a new account is scratch.mit.edu, and then you can just press sign in. No, I mean you can press login, which you can make a new account. So, oh, happy holy! Oh, wow! Oh, they made a studio for me. Did that already pass? Oh wait, like I can't make anything. All right. Anyways, thank you for watching. Once again, there is nothing much to say, so yeah. All right. Bye.